What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Monte Carlo. I'm gonna do an unboxing on this thing today because was an unexpected car. I went to the shop, RC Discount Superstore, and they had it sitting there. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. This was not in my plans. So what it comes in the box? This is a charger with I don't know what this is for. Got a bag full of goodies. Look like an adapter, some pins, some screws. Not too sure what this stuff is. Thick manual. Jesus Christ, it's a thick manual. Yeah, this manual is pretty thick here. Take off this top layer and you get the controller. This is my first, so this second. And then you got the car. Let's pull this bad boy out. Here go the car. I like this. It got a car cover and everything, you know what I'm saying? Woohoo! Look at this beauty here. Boom! Definitely gonna do me a Grand Theft Auto theme to this.
Oh, here we go again.
This thing looks awesome. And how you take this body off? I know they say it's magnets on it, right? Or is it clips? Okay, hold on one second. Oh, magnets. What, lift up like this? All right, here go the inside. You got 1, 2, 4, 5 servos. This is like a like that might be a 450 cam, 350 cam. I don't know. Brushed. Let's see. Yeah, got light buckets in there. What's this for? I guess you can add some extra stuff to the. Oh, these are the. Okay, that's the antenna wire. Okay. This is the switch to cut it on. Here we go. Yeah, it's the switch to cut it on. There we go. We on. Oh, I can't wait. You know I'm gonna hook some lights up to it. Where can I hook lights up? Yeah, we got an extra. It got 2 places to hook lights up to. Thick. I can't wait. It come with this 8,000 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery, which I ain't worried about speed or nothing like that. But this thing is awesome there. It is very awesome. Yeah, man, this thing and this controller, jeez. I definitely got to get some batteries so I can know how this works because I don't have a clue about this thing. Man, when this car, you know, this the car from Training Day. That's what made me want it. But really wanted me when I seen the guy Lou fix it. When he had his and the upgrades he did to his lowrider, man, it was awesome. That made me want it that much more. Yeah, but I'm gonna put Lou Fix It the link below so you can check his channel out. He has some awesome rigs, awesome upgrades on his rigs. Check him out. Yeah, it don't have additional stickers. I'm looking at this manual, like this is like a real car manual. That's how a real car manual would look with GM on there. They put a lot of effort to this. Redcat really is doing their thing. When they came out with these low riders, you know, that was smart. You can have something with a nice little classy look to it, and it's not a basher, not a speedster. It's just a profile car, just profiling in this car. This is nice. I finally got one. And this car, it got room for tons of upgrades. Oh yeah, let's check out the bottom of the chassis. And this is the bottom right here. You got weights and everything, so you can bounce. I guess you can. I don't think you can bounce with this one, but that's cool. Probably could make it bounce with some stronger servos or something like that. Put up the BEC. Yeah, that's the underneath. I know they had the gold digger. I wanted the gold digger, but this will work. This will work. I'm gonna do a real running video. I'm gonna go home, grab some batteries, and let y'all see this thing drive.
Oh, here we go again.
I can't one-handed this. So tell me what y'all think, man. I like it. Oh, I'm having a hard time controlling it though, but